Hazrat Imam Malik and Ibn Idris said, Rikaz is the treasure of the age of ignorance. A fifth is payable on it whether it is less or in abundance. Minerals are not buried treasure. The Prophet ﷺ said, there is no compensation for one who gets buried in a mine, and a fifth is payable on the buried treasure. And Umar bin Abdul Aziz deducted 5 dirhams out of every 200 dirhams from mine. Hassan Basri says, a fifth is payable on the mine that is situated in Darul Harab, and poor due is payable on the mine in Darul Islam. If a find is found on the enemy land, it should be recognized. If it is of enemy, there is a fifth on it. Some people said, minerals are buried treasure like the buried treasure of the age of ignorance, for Arkaz al-Ma'adin is said when something is extracted from a mine. When something is donated to a person, or if there is a lot of profit or fruit becomes ample, it is said, Arkazta. Then opposing his own view said, there is no harm in hiding it and do not pay a fifth. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there is no compensation for the one trampled by an animal, died due to falling in a well and getting buried in a mine, and there is a fifth on the buried treasure. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1499.